Hi guys, welcome back to Bike Update, your go-to source for the latest in motorcycle news and reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling naked bikes on the market, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory. Known for its ferocious performance, cutting-edge tech, and Italian design, the Tuono V4 Factory sets a new benchmark for high-performance street fighters. Let's break down what makes this machine so special. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Tuono V4 Factory lies its legendary 1077cc V4 engine, producing an exhilarating 175 horsepower and 121 Nm of torque. The refined power delivery ensures effortless acceleration, whether you're carving through twisty back roads or hitting the track. Updates for 2025 include improved throttle response and revised exhaust tuning, delivering a raw and visceral riding experience. Chassis and suspension. The Tuono V4 Factory features a lightweight aluminum chassis for unmatched agility. The suspension system includes Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active components, which adapt dynamically to road conditions and rider input. This ensures optimal handling and comfort, whether you're pushing the limits or cruising through the city. Technology and electronics. Aprilia has packed the Tuono V4 Factory with advanced electronics. The 6-axis IMU supports features like cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie control. Riding modes have been enhanced for 2025, offering more customization for varied riding conditions. The large TFT display integrates smartphone connectivity, navigation, and multimedia controls, adding a touch of convenience to its cutting-edge appeal. Design and ergonomics. The 2025 model retains the aggressive styling Aprilia is known for, with aerodynamic winglets for added stability at high speeds. The ergonomics strike a balance between comfort and sportiness, with adjustable handlebars and a slightly revised seat design for longer rides. Its dual-tone color schemes and high-quality finishes make it a visual masterpiece. Verdict. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory is a stunning combination of brute force, agility, and sophistication. It's built for riders who demand top-tier performance without compromising on style or technology. Whether you're a track day enthusiast or a thrill-seeking commuter, the Tuono V4 Factory promises an unforgettable experience. Thank you for tuning in to Bike Update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle content. Ride safe and see you next time.